Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. In today's episode, I'm going to be making a Shaggy's Manhattan. So let's get started. For that, what I need is ice first. So now I'm going to add about, let's say 15 to 20 ml of sweet vermouth goes in the ice. Then I need for this Bourbon Whiskey. So I'm going to be adding Jim Beam Bourbon Whiskey, 30 ml. And just a quick dash of bitters, Angostura. And now time to shake this up. So now I'm going to be using this glass. I'm going to add 3 cherries in the glass. And there you have it, the Shaggy's Manhattan. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple yet delicious cocktail. Please do try this at home and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment in the comment section below. Keep watching Desi Bites and I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you guys take care while I'm going to finish this cocktail. Cheers. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a jaljeera. Which is good for your stomach, for a hangover and just generally a very refreshing drink. For that I have mint leaves. This is my personal take on a jaljeera. Throw in mint leaves in the cocktail shaker. We have some chaat masala and throw that in, 2 pinches of it. Around 20 ml of lime juice and some crushed cumin or jeera powder, 2 pinches of that. Then add some soda, about 100 ml, and the same for lemonade. A little bit of ice and we are ready to go. So guys, shake it up a little bit or you can muddle it up in your cocktail shaker. Throw in a few mint leaves for garnish and pour in your. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to add some chaat masala on top of it. And also a little bit of jeera masala, crushed jeera. Jaljeera, fresh take on it, ready to serve. Do try this at home and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites. This is me, Chef Pranav, telling you to have a great day ahead. See you. Hi everybody and welcome to Desi Bites. Since the festive season is on, I have some very easy desserts for you to make at home. This is called the Frozen Alaska. Now, first you get a bowl, take some vanilla ice cream, then some condensed milk. This is a very rich dessert as you can see. Just mix that together. Then I'm going to add Oreo cookies. I've got the chocolate flavor. So I've crushed them from one side. You can use a cream flavored ones. I'm just using the chocolate ones because the store didn't have any cream flavored. You can always add some more. So I'm a little generous with my Oreo. Once you've got this done, take a fancy glass for your mixture in this fancy glass. Now to top this off, I'm going to crush some walnut. Let them, sink inside. And now in the freezer to set, and your dessert is ready. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that simple recipe, and do try this at home because it is very tasty. And don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and do not forget to comment on Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode. Till then, you take care. See you.